Here I have Nubia Red Magic 6 Racing, and today I'm going to show you how to enable video stabilization in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the arrow here, just switch to the video mode, and here you can switch stabilization just by tapping on this icon which says like video anti-shake on. Like in normal language it's just like stabilization on or off. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.